This is cassava or tapioca. You see, they have a lot there.
Where's the plastic?
And then banana leaves. And then papaya. There's the papaya. Look, can you see papaya tree? Over there. And some other vegetable over there hanging. Come on, let's go. Let's go walk. And there's some here. I think it's, I don't know. Come on, let's go. Hold my hand. Oh my God, look at that malunggay.
Don't go far.
No, we're not going far. Oh, this is the banana, look.
Banana tree.
Can you see banana tree?
Yeah.
Oh,
This
wow.
is like a blur tree.
This kind of like a pine tree. It's kind of like pine tree.
This one?
Yeah, and this is a flower.
Wow. Do these collect it?
No, no, don't collect it. I think it's, I'm not sure what do you call that flower. It's cool, right?
Yeah.
It's lots of fruits. I mean, plants,
Why is there so
flowering
much
thing.
garbage here?
Come on, come on.
Then they will make it
Oh.
dirty.
This
What?
is part of, oh, there's so many malunggay. Look at this malunggay tree. It's so big,
You can make
huge.
yogurt from that.
And this land,
Collect it.
this land is for Mama Lola too. This empty land is for Mama Lola. She's planning to put here apartment for renting.
He's putting,
Yeah, this lot.
he's turning this into an apartment.
Yeah, she wants to build an apartment there. That's all malunggay over there. Guess what I found in front of it? Look at this. It's a coconut tree. Oh, wow.
Why is there so much garbage there?
I'm not sure why. You see that? They have to clean it.
They have to clean this one.
Yeah, there's a lot of coconut over there. Wow.
Mommy?
Yeah. I wonder what kind of fruit is this. Look. There's some kind of chili or something.
Why did they throw us in?
Oh, that's some red stuff. I can't find it. Yeah. I don't know what that is. What those are. I mean. It's malunggay everywhere. You see? Moringa everywhere. These are moringa everywhere. And these are kind of, oh my God, big mosquito. Oh, there's a lot of mosquitoes here. Anyways,
Mommy?
we won't go farther. Come on, we cannot go farther. I wonder what this is. This red
They
one.
will bark with the, and you?
Oh my God, what is that red stuff?
I think
Don't touch it.
it is evil.
No, it looks like berries. Look at that. Don't touch it. No, 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 no. We
Why
don't know
don't-
what that is. Maybe it's dangerous. Oh, look at that butterfly.
Wow.
Come on, there's mosquitoes. I don't know what that is. This looks like berries, really. Come on, let's go back. Why, are you scared? Look, there are more here.
So far.
No, I know what this is. It's like, this is a medicine for cough. You have to grind it and take the juice out of it and then drink it when you have cough.
Mommy,
Oh, what is
collect
this?
those.
No, I don't want to collect those.
Please, because
Oh my God.
so I won't have cough.
Okay, let's go.
So I won't have cough, Mommy.
Hello, Paul. Let's go. Come on.
Well, this is Philippines.
Yeah, this is
There's so much
This
garbage
is
here.
Mama Lola's land. We will build here apartment. Oh, look at this.
They'll remove the balikbayan that.
You know this flower? They used to sell it in Abu Dhabi, but here it's like, I know, only in the middle of the side of the road. Right? See, they even have some flowers here. Hello po. Sino po kayo? Ano pong pangalan niyo?